This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing textures in Roblox for 2025. Whether you're looking to customize your game or enhance performance, learning how to delete unwanted textures can be a valuable skill for any Roblox developer. So, let's get started. First, locate the Roblox Player app. After you locate the Roblox Player app, right-click the app to open the menu. The menu appears. When we're in the menu, click on the Open File location to locate where the Roblox player is. Now that we're in the location of the Roblox player, locate the Client Settings folder. If you don't have one, create a folder and name it to Client Settings, as you can see in the video. After that, open the Client Settings folder so that we can proceed. While we're inside the folder of Client Settings, right-click and point it to a new tab. While in a new tab, click the text document to create a text document as you can see in the video. After creating a text document, rename it Client Settings App.json as you can see on the video. As you can see, mine was already created. After naming your text document, right-click the Client Settings App.json and click Edit in Note. This is what's inside Client Settings App.json. You just have to copy it and save it. You have successfully removed textures from your Roblox game. This process not only helps in customizing your creations, but can also improve performance by reducing the number of assets loaded. For further enhancements, consider experimenting with different textures or learning about additional modeling techniques with Roblox Studio. Happy developing!